Hi, I'm Ryan with Big B's Plumbing. We're here in Menifee at Impact Church, and we're actually roughing in 2 full bathrooms for them. The reason why we're having to add extra toilets and everything is the city's making them do this. Anyhow, we ended up having to saw cut up the floor, dig down to the main line. We had to rough in 3 more toilets, 2 urinals. Everything has to be ADA or handicap compliant. Once we got all of our underground done, we put all that under test, got that inspected. Concrete was poured, framing came in, and framed up all the walls. Right now, today, we're actually running what we call top out. So that's all the waste in the vent pipes that are gonna go up to the up through the roof. And we're also running the water lines today also. And then once all that's done, we're gonna get that inspected. Then they close up the walls, and then in about a week and a half, 2 weeks, we're gonna come back and set all what we call finish, which is gonna be all the fixtures. It's gonna be the toilets, the flush valves, the sinks, the urinals, and then the drinking fountain also.